Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung TV. Let's go. Open source. Connection guide. Input device. First way, wired. You can connect the controller to the TV via a USB cable. Second way, wireless. Hold down the Create and PlayStation buttons at the same time. Is the controller flashing blue? Pairing mode is enabled. Choose Bluetooth device. Choose DualSense wireless controller. That's it. Now you know how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.